Hello everyone, welcome to ENTRAINEVERSE channel. Okay guys, in this today video I will sharing about free mockup content. So in this mockup content you will get this mockup for free, but before that you need to find the password to open the RAR file. So where you can find the password will appear in upper right corner of your screen, and it starts from now. You can see in upper right corner of your screen, that's one character. You need to complete all the character that will appear one by one from the start of this video until this very end of this video. Okay, and if you have any notification error while you extracting the file, it's mean your password is still wrong, and then you need to watch again and make sure you enter the right password. Okay, let's see what kind of mockup that you will get in this video. Okay guys, so this is the mockup for today's video. This is a Boxy zipper hood. This is usually you can use it for display your clothing design. And in this free mockup content, I will also explain to you how to use it and explain every folder or layer that contains in this mockup file, so you can use this mockup properly. Okay, let's start from the first folder. What do we have here? We have master folder. In this master folder we have four different folder that has a very specific layer style and specific number. You can see here, I will open the lock, and you can see we have color burn, after that highlight, multiplay, and also the last one we have the overlay. And every folder or every layer we have this specific number of opacity and fill. That's mean this every different layer is important for this master folder. So but if you don't really familiar with this adjustment, you can just keep it like this, and I will keep it in the lock mode like this. Okay, after that we have these two layer, E1 and E2. This is just to make it simple for effect 1 and effect 2. Okay, these two effect I already make it clipping mask to this design folder. That's mean these two effect only affected to this specific folder. And this folder design is where you place your design. And how to place your design to this mockup, you can just simply drag and drop your design. I will show you guys how to drag and drop. This is just for an example. You can use your base design. This is just for showcasing the mockup. Okay, after that you can just place it like this, and if you already okay with this, and then you can just readjust, and also you can resize the size of the design. Okay, and you can see I put it in the wrong place. Why we have to put this design layer into the design folder? Because we need to use this to affect it to the design. So you need to move your design and make sure you put it on, or you place it in this design folder like this. And don't forget, you need to make it clipping mask like this. Control Alt G to clipping mask, or you can right click and clipping mask. Okay, and you can see the different with these two effect. You can see like this, guys. If we turn off these two effect, then you can see the difference. Okay, so that's how you place your design to this mockup. And I will tell you guys how to place your design in the sleeve, because that's really important if you don't really understand about this mockup in this Photoshop software. But if you already understand, then just focus on the password. Okay, let's move to the sleeve folder. In this sleeve folder, I already name it as the code like this. to make it simple. BR it's mean back right sleeve, and BL it's mean back left, and also in the front left and front right. Okay, so if you want to change the sleeve design, then you can just simply like this to click the smart object, and then we move to another file like this, and you can drag and drop your design like this. I will use the same design just to showcasing this feature. Okay, we save it like this, Control S, and then it's already updated to the main object like this. Very simple, because I already make it smart object, then you don't have to adjust the position and the size, but maybe the size you can also adjust it again, but in this area or this file, not in this main file like this, but you need to open the smart object and then you can adjust it in here. You know what I mean, guys? Okay, so that's how you add or you place your design to the sleeve part. Okay, we can change this one and put it back like before. Okay, that's for the sleeve part, yeah. Okay, and then we move to another part of this file. We have front, so I will show you guys what important in this front part, because we have the zipper line in the middle of this mockup, so you need to cut the design or clipping mesh the design, so we have this kind of overlaying look that the zipper is in front of the design, not in the background of the design. So you need to use this masking layer like this. If you disable this masking layer, then you will have like this. The design is in front of the zipper line, and I don't want to this mockup look like that. Okay, so you need to turn on this clipping mesh. Okay, so how you to change the design in front? Just simply like the sleeve part, you can drag and drop to the smart object, but if you have new design and the size or the shape is very different, we can use the same sample like this, but I will cut it and make it different, just to show you guys in case you have a very different look of design. Okay, just keep it in your mind that this is the new design or the different design of yours. So if you first time to place your design like this, it will look like this, and then the design it's not in front of the zipline is not in front of your design, so you need to masking this design. Okay, how to masking the design, and don't forget you need to convert to smart object. After that you click this one, but press the control and hold it. After that you click this one, this masking layer, and after that you choose the masking like this. Then your design is already cut with this masking layer. Okay guys, so that's how you cut the design and make it in the back of your zip line. So we have this kind of look of the zipper. Okay, so that's how you done with the front part. I will tell this one because I need to keep it like this. Okay, so we move to the color folder. In this folder we have so many different layer, but all of them is just for the change color, guys. We can see this like this, for example this blue one, but you can also just adjust it like this, guys. Just drag wherever you want to pick the color. Very simple. And also we can also change the zip line color like this, and also the zip head. It's very adjustable, guys. You can change every part of this mockup. And this 3 layer basically just to change the hood and the sleeve. But if you don't want to change this part, and then you can keep it turned off like this. But if you want the variation like this, then you can also use this 3 layer. That's for the color folder. Okay, we have the last folder here. This is the background folder. What do we have in this background folder? We have this Photoshop logo. You can just turn off. Sorry guys, you can turn off like this. And then we have also the background, of course, because this is background folder. And this is the maybe very important. If you want to change the angle or the distance or the size of the drop shadow, then you need to adjust in this area. For example, you want to make it the distance is more distance like this, and then you can also change the spread or also the size to make it more blur like this. Okay, that's how you adjust the drop shadow. But if you don't want to change anything, just your design, then just keep it that way. Okay guys, that's the background part of this mockup file. So I think that's it guys. That's all the explanation that you need to know about this mockup. I hope you understand what I'm talking about, guys. But if you don't really understand, then you can focus on what you see on your screen and follow the step. Anyway, if you guys need to create a custom mockup, custom design, varsity, hoodie, streetwear design, t-shirt design, or poster design, or whatever kind of design, you can just hit me up by email or WhatsApp number in my description box. Okay, if you guys like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe, like, comment, or maybe you can also share this video. And thank you so much for this today video. Maybe the password is still running. You need to keep watching this video, and we can see you again guys in the next one. Bye bye.